Help me, Kai. Help me, Spider-Man. Help! Help! Oh, thank you.
Hi. Say hi, mommy.
Hi, Mommy Doodles.
Say I'm swimming all by myself.
I'm swimming all by myself, self.
Watch this! Watch this guy swim to Gabriel!
You gotta swim all the way down there.
You can do it! You did it! Ow! Now swim to James!
Let me get the
You
James.
feel the exact same as the other ones.
Just go underwater with him first. Your hair will like naturally.
Whoa!
Just try going underwater with him, James.
I'm going to.
Don't move, don't move. Go swim to
Swimming to
James.
James. His goggles on.
You did it!